They literally took her son's heart, and now one Baldwin County mother has won her battle to make sure it doesn't happen to anyone else.
A new Alabama law signed by Governor Kay Ivey stops doctors or forensic researchers from taking organs without notification of next of kin. NBC 15's James Gordon joins us now.
Well, James, you talked with a mom about her 5-year struggle for justice.
Oh, when Donna Atkins' 17-year-old son died, she was devastated. So imagine how she felt when she found out that they had taken her son's heart without her permission.
If an autopsy is done, you ask questions. You want that autopsy, and you gotta fight to get it. I called every week to get that autopsy report.
Donna Atkins' son, Justin Crooks, died of an aneurysm in 2007. And it wasn't until she filed a wrongful death lawsuit in 2013 that she found out that doctors and researchers had taken her son's heart without permission.
I would have agreed to them keeping his heart and studying it to help somebody. I would have agreed to that. But I wasn't given that choice. That was taken from me. They just took it.
In Alabama, a 15-year-old can sign up to be an organ donor with the condition a parent or next of kin be notified. Atkins says that did not happen here, and to make things worse, her son at 17 had never signed up as an organ donor. It's been a week since Governor Kay Ivey signed Senate Bill 22 into law. Atkins says the original version would have made it a felony not to notify next of kin. But after 3 years of lobbying lawmakers and rewriting the bill, the end result is a tribute to her son and what other families may have been through.
I thank you, Governor Ivey, for doing the right and moral thing. I truly, from the bottom of my heart, you have no idea what that signature meant to me.
Now, Atkins says her persistence as a mother obviously has paid off. Now, though the felony designation was stripped from the original bill, she says it's still a victory because now parental consent is required anytime an organ is taken. This law goes into effect July 1st. For now, we're live in Baldwin County. James Gordon, NBC 15 News.